Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix no sound playing after connecting your earbuds to your phone. How to fix that? At first you need to check if your volume level is not turned off completely, you know what I mean. Try to increase your volume level up to 100% and check it. If it doesn't work still, check if you don't have just pair up issue. Try switching players, try looking for some volume in the system, like for example clicking on keyboard or something like that. If it doesn't work only in some application, this is the application issue. You need to try to clear the cache or something like that. How to clear the cache? Open settings, then head over to the application section, find your application, open this application like in this tab, and then go to storage. Here in this storage you will be having two options: clean storage or clean cache. Clear the cache and you will be fine. If it doesn't work still, or if it is not per app issue, you need to perform a factory reset on your earbuds. How to do so? Open your case while having both earbuds inside and hold this button right here. Now, if you hold this button for 10 seconds, you will see this light going red. If it doesn't work still, you need to try connecting your earbuds to some different device, and you need to check if this issue is only on your private phone or in your headphones. If it is only in your phone, you know what to search for. Search for how to fix no sound on your phone. If it is located in your earbud, you need to contact device support because your earbuds may be just broken. Goodbye and have a nice day.